Hello dears, today we are going to discuss reaction of acids with the metals. So we have to do one activity to prove that when acids react with metals, hydrogen gas is evolved. To do this experiment, we need iron stand, test tube, delivery tube, rubber cork, glass through with soap water, zinc and hydrochloric acid. Take about 10 ml of dilute HCl in a test tube and add few granules of zinc to it. Now we can see hydrogen gas bubbles on the surface of zinc. Close the test tube with one hole rubber cork containing delivery tube. Place another end of the delivery tube into the soap water. Gas filled with bubbles are formed here in the soap solution. When we keep a burning matchstick or burning candle near the hydrogen, we can see that the bubbles burn with a pop sound. And this pop sound indicates the presence of hydrogen gas. Dear students, observe this process very well. Hydrogen gas is forming in the test tube. It passes through the delivery tube to the glass vessel containing soap solution. Here, we have to study when this HCl react with Zn, we got one salt and hydrogen gas. If we repeat the above experiment by using any acid like H2SO4 and HNO3, we get hydrogen gas. Next one is reaction of metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acid. To start this experiment, we need two test tubes and sodium hydrogen carbonate and sodium carbonate. Also, we need hydrochloric acid, water bottle, a dropper and spatula. So, let us start our activity. First of all, we have to take some amount of sodium carbonate in a test tube with the help of spatula. This is sodium carbonate. It is colorless. So, now I am adding sodium carbonate into the test tube. After, with the help of a dropper, we have to add hydrochloric acid into the test tube. Observe carefully. Now we can see that sodium carbonate react with HCl and release a colorless gas. Actually, we don't know which gas is produced here. So the equation Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Next, we have to take the second test tube. Add some amount of sodium hydrogen carbonate and add HCl hydrochloric acid to the test tube. Here also Dear students, please observe the reaction carefully. When we are adding this HCl, sodium hydrogen carbonate react with HCl and produce a colorless gas. NaHCO3 plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. In order to prove the nature of gas, pass the gas produced in each case through lime water. And we can see that lime water turns milky. This indicates the presence of carbon dioxide. Dears, we can conclude metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate react with acid and form salt, water and carbon dioxide.